Hey guys, join me as we are going to be making some fried shark Trini style. First, cut your shark into slices, place it in a bowl and add some freshly squeezed lime or lemon and leave to soak for about 15 minutes. Next, rinse a few times in clean water to remove any lemon and wipe it clean. Here I have some freshly blended green seasoning. You can see the link above, or there's one down in the description box down below. It's basically a blend of shadow benny, chive, onion, garlic, pimento peppers, celery, thyme, parsley, and a piece of ginger. I blend fresh herbs using a little bit of water. Once your seasoning is blended and ready to go, we are going to season the fish. So I'm adding some black pepper, salt, my green seasoning, and if you want you can add some fish seasoning powder, any brand of your choice. Mix all those seasonings well into the fish and leave to marinate for a few hours or preferably overnight. Place it into a bowl, cover and refrigerate and leave overnight. So the next day when I'm ready to fry my fish, I would add some vegetable oil to a frying pan and I'll be cooking at about low to medium heat. You don't want the fish to burn, so do not cook it on high heat. When frying fish, I usually like to coat the fish and I use a mixture of flour, salt, black pepper and maybe a little fish seasoning powder. Once the oil is hot and ready for frying, coat the whole fish in the flour mixture and place into the hot oil. Remember, we are cooking about low to medium and we're going to cook the fish until both sides are nice and golden brown. You don't want to overturn your fish, otherwise your shark will break up, so minimize turning. So I will do a few minutes on one side and a couple minutes on the other side. Just keep an eye on your fish and you could always lower or raise the heat accordingly. Your shark is done when it is firm to the touch. Once it is finished, go ahead and remove and place on some paper towels. And now go ahead and enjoy with some nice hot bake, and there you have your Trini style bacon shark, which I have a video for, so you can see the link above or in the description box down below. So that's it for now guys. I hope you guys get to try my Trini style fry shark. And leave me a comment if you did, like the video, and be sure to subscribe if you haven't. So until next time, see you guys, bye.